Alright, welcome back guys to Camp Brave Bunny. We're going to be drawing a underwater scene this time. We're gonna keep it very simple just so that we can get familiar. I haven't drawn this kind of a scene in a while. I do want to make it fun, and I just want to make sure that I do it properly, you know. So there's gonna be like a big rock over here. I'm gonna start with a pencil, just draw my outline. There's gonna be some algae over here. Just make sure that, you know, it goes around. For the fish, I'm not very familiar with drawing fish, so I'm just gonna go like this. Just draw the basic kind of fish that I know. Most fish have this kind of open mouth, just like that. And then they got their eye on the side. There's all kinds of fish. I don't know much about fish otherwise, you know, they come in all shapes and sizes. Wow, I feel like I should have researched these fish before starting this video. What else is there? Let's put a treasure chest, you know, because there's always some treasure at the bottom of the ocean. Let's make sure to capture all that treasure. Just like that. Maybe there's a crab right here. I don't even know how to draw a crab. I know that crabs have clamps like this, claws. Just one claw. Do they even have a like, I don't know what their face looks like. I know that they have legs. They've got these big, long legs. Like that. Give it one more. Just like that. You know, I'm just gonna give him eyes and assume that this is what a crab looks like. And hopefully you guys can show me what your crab looks like. I feel very humiliated because I don't know what a crab looks like, and here I am trying to draw a crab. So I'm just gonna draw a simple octopus. I did want to make another video with the octopus, but let's just draw a simple one right now. Wow, I'm very humbled right now because I have no idea what I'm doing. But here we are. We're doing it. Creating art. And then we'll just put his big eye right over here. And just say that there's like another tentacle. Like that. Right? Suppose. And then we'll give these little fish some bubbles. Because we know that fish will blow bubbles. Is that enough? I think that's enough. What else is in the ocean? There are sharks and dolphins and orcas and lobsters and other fish. I think we'll just stop right there. Okay, let's get into some of this coloring. How's that look? Right. We'll put some gold coins in there. Other treasures. Okay. That's the lock. Quite a basic lock, but it's the lock. Obviously it's unlocked, but it has a lock. All right, let's get some fish. Perfect. Little bubbles. Alright, I'm sorry you guys. This cut out again, once again, so I'm gonna try and make this smooth for you guys. I drew an octopus. This is an octopus. He's a purple octopus. He's got tentacles and little blue undercoat of his tentacles. This is my little Nemo fish. He's orange and white. I gave him some stripes. And the treasure chest, I gave it a gray lock. It's got some gold inside, some gold coins. I don't know why it has a lock if it's already open. This is my little happy crab. He's smiling. He's got like this really big smile. He's a red crab, very happy. Another red fish, and I colored in these seaweeds so that they're nice and cute. I'm just gonna go in with the gray and color in this coral. Give it some color. Just a little bit, nothing too fancy. I've been struggling with this video because it keeps cutting and we missed such a great part of the video, so I need to be better prepared considering even the last video that I filmed got cut, so hopefully that's the last time. I'm trying to be more careful. Alright. Now I do want to put like some real coral stuff growing out of here. Apparently this is what the actual coral reef would look like. Super colorful with all of these little plants growing on it. And now it's not so colorful, but we're gonna make ours very colorful. Just like that. Okay, let's color in these bubbles. Let's give this water just a little bit of color. And for this seabed, I'm just gonna go in with some yellow, very gently, just to give it the illusion. All right, there we go, it's completed. We got 2 fish, 1 crab, coral, some seaweed growing out of here, a little treasure chest going on. I'm gonna just title this and call it Underwater, right? Because this is under the sea, underwater. This could even be an aquarium, but I'm just gonna go with underwater. So U-N-D-E-R, water, W-A-T-E-R. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I know that it was an awkward video to kind of jump, but at least you can see what happened. You can catch a little bit of it. I do want to make more of these, so please subscribe and please follow along and like and comment your thoughts as well. And I really appreciate you guys watching. See you on the next video.